Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute New Year's collage on Instagram stories. So this is a new feature and New Year's coming up real soon. I can't believe it's going to be 2025 already. It feels like this year has gone by super duper fast. So let's get started with the video, but before I start don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss another video from us. You are going to just select the plus button on your stories, and then here, as you can see at the very top, there's the 2024 collage. It's new. You're just going to select it, and you are going to select, I guess, like photos that you've attained from this year. So you can put in a lot of pictures. I just put in 6 so it's visible. I just added these ones, and I'm just going to press the next button. I don't know how much you can put, but you can basically create this collage easily by using the template they gave you. And then here you can actually change what you want to type. You can type in Happy New Year, if you'd like to. And voila, that is pretty much it. When you're done, you can either post it or save it to your gallery first. It's going to be saved as a video if I'm not mistaken, because there's these twinkling lights. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Again, if you missed it, here it is. You're just going to add a story, go to the 2024 collage one on the very right button, and you can pick how many ever photos you want. You can even just choose 2 if that's the only thing you did this year. It's basically a recap or a New Year's post. You can do anything with this new feature. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me and obviously for this channel. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you made this or not. It doesn't matter, but you're on the tutorial. So and have a happy new year. Well, in a few weeks. Bye.